Even prophets felt fear, but they kept walking. There are moments you feel too weak to continue. Your mind is tired, your heart is drained, and your soul feels heavy. You tell yourself, I can't do this anymore. But look at Musa, alayhi salam, running from danger, alone, afraid, with nothing but faith in his heart. And Allah says, so he left the city, in fear, yet looking for the path. Surah Al-Qasas. Fear, but still walking. Uncertain, but still moving. Weak, but still trusting. Allah didn't ask you to be fearless. He only asked you to keep going. Your steps may be small, your voice shaky, your heart is unsure, but every step you take is seen by the one guiding you. So whisper, Ya Allah, strengthen me when I feel weak, and step forward, because Allah never lets a tired heart walk alone.